The normal to the curve x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 at 1 comma 1 cuts again at 1. So children, applying derivative on both sides with respect to x, 2x plus 2y plus 2x into y1 minus 6y into y1 is equal to 0. Now cancel 2 on all these. So that's why x minus 3y into y1 is equal to minus of x plus y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus x plus y by x minus 3y. Slope at x1 y1 1 comma 1 is minus 2 by 1 minus 3. So 1. Equation of normal is y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus 1. So that implies x plus y is equal to plus 2. This is the equation of the normal. The normal cuts the curve again at so y is equal to 2 minus x. Simplify the given curve and the normal. So that's why x square plus 2x into y means 2 minus x minus 3 into 2 minus x whole square is equal to 0. Now this is x square plus 4x minus 2x square minus 6 3 into 4 12 minus 3x square minus 4 minus 3 plus 12x is equal to 0. Now x square is minus 4x square plus 16x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we take a common x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 are the 2 points. When x is equal to 1, equal to 1, and when x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. So therefore the points are 1 comma 1 and 3 comma minus 1. The curve cuts normal, cuts the curve at 3 comma minus 1, that is 4th quadrant. That is in 4th quadrant. Question number 8. A spherical iron ball 10 centimeters radius is coated with a layer of ice of uniform thickness, then melts at the rate of 50 cubic centimeters per second when the thickness of ice is 5 centimeters. Then the rate at when the thickness of the ice decreases. Radius of the iron balloon small r is equal to 10. After ice coating, the radius of the spherical iron balloon is capital R is equal to small r plus capital H, where H means 5 centimeters thickness, and dB by dt is equal to 50 cubic centimeters per second. It melts, that means the rate of change in volume is 50 cubic centimeters per second. On ice is 5 centimeters, rate at which the thickness. Okay. dr by dt is equal to how much? Volume of the iron ball is 4 by 3 into r cube. R cube means capital R cube, that is small r plus cap h whole cube. Then delta V by rate of change in volume is dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 into r plus h. We know that this is 50. dr by dt is equal to 50 by 4 into r plus h whole square. So that is equal to 50 by 4 into small r means 10 plus 5, 15 whole square. Now this is 25 by 2, that is 25 by 2 into 2, 25. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, pi is also 5 and 5 and 5. This is 9 times, so that is equal to 1 by 18 pi. Rate of change in radius is 1 by 18 pi cubic centimeters per second. A point on the parabola y square is equal to 18x at which the ordinate increases at twice the rate of abscissa. That means given rate of change in ordinate, that means dy by dt is equal to 2 times the rate of change in abscissa, dx by dt. That is a given one. Given parabola is curve is y square is equal to 18x. Now applying derivative on both sides with respect to t. 2y into dy by dt is equal to 18 into dx by dt. 2 is 9 times y into given dy by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt. That is equal to 9 into dx by dt. So dx by dt is cancelled. Now y is equal to 9 by 2. When y is equal to 9 by 2, 81 by 4 is equal to 18x. So now 9 and 2 times x is equal to 9 by 4. Therefore the point is x comma y is equal to 9 by 4 comma 9 by 2. This is the required point. Question number 10. A stone thrown upwards has its equation of motion s is equal to 490t minus 4.9t square. Then the maximum height reached by it is. So that's why for maximum height velocity is equal to 0. So velocity is ds by dt is equal to 490 minus 4.8t. When velocity is equal to 0, the particle reaches the maximum height. So that's why t is equal to maximum height at the time. Now t is equal to 50. Maximum height is 490 into 50 minus 4.9 into 54 square. That is equal to 1220. Maximum height is 12,250 meters.